Estel, located in China, is a professional manufacturer of outdoor telecom cabinet and telecom rectifier system. Established in 2011, we have more than 10 years experience of R&D, production, sales, and export. We can integrate cooling system, environment monitoring system, rectifier system, power distribution, inverter, battery, optical fiber, etc. into the outdoor telecom cabinet. We provide customized service as well. Here is our production line. Includes laser cutting machine, CNC punching machine, CNC bending machine, electric welding machine, branding machine, painting workshop, assembly line, testing and quality control, packaging and shipping, wiring machining workshop, frame assembly workshop, frame test workshop, PDU assembly and test workshop. This is our customized IP55 outdoor telecom cabinet with air conditioner, environmental monitoring system, rectifier system, battery, PDU, etc. It's a galvanized steel cabinet with thermal insulation. Surface treated with outdoor anti-corrosion powder coating. For cabinet, we can customize different size. Material including galvanized steel, stainless steel, or aluminum. This is an embedded door with inner hinge, door stopper, electronic lock, and 3-point anti-theft lock. And also an air conditioner and fan for cooling. This is lithium battery.
This is our 19-inch standard rack with L-shaped tray and table managed. This rack usually used for installing clients' telecom equipment, power system, lithium battery, and so on. On the side is the grounding copper bar with earth wire
and some cable inlets.
Our power distribution unit's back can be customized based on clients' requirements.
Here is an 8-way 16 ampere PDU socket and an AC power distribution unit. Here is the UPS. This is a 300 ampere 48 VDC rectifier with 3 parts: power distribution unit, rectifier module, and monitoring module. Our power distribution unit spec can be customized based on client's requirement. Our rectifier module has 3 models: 30 ampere, 50 ampere, 75 ampere, and the quantity depends on customer's capacity. Monitoring module supports SNMP, RS485 communication, and battery management, etc. It also equipped with an environmental monitoring unit with 1 unit height. This system supports SNMP and RS485 communication, and it can work together with virus sensors like door sensors, temperature and humidity sensor, smoke sensor, and water sensor. We can customize based on clients' requirements. If you are looking for more information, check out our website.